Alright, today guys, I'm gonna be installing these Amazon hood pins that I bought on my R34 Skyline. I already started on this side. It was really pain in the ass to try to get it on there. They don't come with washers, so I put washers on there because I didn't really drill a hole. I used the bumper things that come on there. Since I lost them, they were in pretty bad shape, so I'm just gonna use those holes and put these on here like this. So now I gotta get this without taking the bumper off again too. So it's really tough guys getting, all those for the bottom ones. It's pretty hard to get in, but we managed to get this side. I'm gonna see if I can manage to get this side. Stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so that's in. It was really easy since I did that side already. Now I gotta lower the hood, mark where it's gonna go the hole through. Yeah, I have to drill a nice 2 little holes on my hood in order to install these. I don't like the holes in my hood, but I don't like my hood flying off my car either. So that's one of the reasons I'm doing the hood pins. If not, I would never done them. So stay tuned for the rest. Alright guys, so now Alright, so now I lower the hood and that's where it hits. So I'm gonna mark it with a white marker just so I can see it better. A Sharpie will work also, but I think it goes right there, right where those things go anyway. So I think we got lucky there guys, but I'm still gonna mark it, put the hole through, and get this thing on the road, man, because I got a car show tomorrow, so I gotta be looking nice. So also I don't know if these are gonna stick to my hood because my hood is ceramic coated, so I'm just gonna set them on there and put the pin through. I don't think it's just for security. So that's what I'm doing now guys, so stay tuned. All right, so what I did, I painted the tips of these on both sides and then put this down, then marked it, and then I marked it again on each side just to make it a little bit noticeable. And this is where they're gonna go. So let's drill those holes now. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drill a hole through this way. It's a really tiny hole, and okay, after that's put in there, lower your hood, and you have 2 little holes that you're gonna drill out bigger anyway, so you don't have to worry about those little cracks because you're gonna drill down on it. I'm gonna put some tape on it and drill the hole downwards so it doesn't start spider cracking either. So that's what I'm doing next. Okay, for these, you measure them like this. Get a one of these bits, put this through here, and so mark it where it's supposed to go. Even bigger, guys. So I'm gonna go bigger on this one. All right, guys, so I had to drill the holes a little bigger. I went down to the next step on this one on the top, and at the bottom I went through the whole thing because the whole thing has to go through it. So they came out like this. All I have to do now is adjust them and, you know, put the little covers on it and then put the pins to see how everything, you know, holds up. So let's do that now. All right, now guys, I'm gonna bring these things. Oh, this thing was in here too. That's why. See, guys, I leave tools everywhere and I lose them. All right, so we just gotta bring these up, and that way you just hold on to the bottom nut and bring it up. Bring it up a few inches and bring this one down. And then either have it pointed this way, which I would do. I will put it this way so that the pins are more secure. So like that, and then just hold on to it because we don't want to tighten it yet. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Bring her up. Let's try to test it out again, guys. See how it fits. It's not fitting this time. Oh. We have to go way more than that up. That side. This side. Probably another inch. Alright, let's open up the hood, and it's getting stuck over here too, so. No lo abras todavía, déjame yo. A ver qué pedo. Se por ahí. Okay.
Aquel se ve medio chueco para acá, ¿verdad?
Así estamos, güey. I'm glad I didn't buy a double carbon one, because then I would have been pissed if I had to drill this hole. I don't think it's gonna. Now, I'm hoping they fit, because if not, then I'm screwed for tomorrow. Pretty much screwed for tomorrow. For tomorrow's show, it's looking like crap. I probably won't even go. Alright guys, so we made it in time. I was able to put these on. I actually took off the little, I didn't want to, but I really wanted to get it done. I took off the little rubber piece underneath. So what I do, you know, I just pull these off and take those things off and then pull up the hood. So this looks badass though. I like the look. And I'm gonna put a little touch on it real quick too. So stay tuned guys for tomorrow for the show.